In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can generate thousands of new followers on Instagram, generate buyers' leads, automate the entire process, and also sell this as a service to local and online businesses, all using an Instagram-approved white hat app built for newbie and advanced marketers alike. Social media is in chaos right now, but Instagram is still the #1 source for building a brand and establishing yourself as an authority, for local businesses to get discovered, find new customers, and thrive, for selling your courses, your products in literally any niche you can think of. According to Instagram stats, about 130 million users have at least made one purchase through Instagram. Average people like Emily from Loom Shakalaka sold thousands of copies of her membership site, making over $55,000 a month using her Instagram followers. Same way Pet Love from Brazil generated millions in e-commerce sales on their website using their 800,000 followers on Instagram. Every day, hundreds of video course creators are selling more of their courses to new audiences using Instagram. Instagram is full of people ready to engage and buy from you if you know how to do it right and how to scale it. But the problem is manually posting, engaging, commenting, replying to DM and stories on Instagram. It's all insanely time-taking and difficult to do. And 99% of the so-called automation tools out there are using hacks and workarounds that will 110% get your Instagram account shut down for life. You see, we were in the same boat. We wanted to get more followers, build a better brand, sell more of our products on Instagram without getting flagged or banned. But it was next to impossible to do so without some way automating it and also not getting banned. We figured there had to be a better way to do this, so we got to work, reached out to Instagram for correct approvals, and built an incredibly powerful app that helps you grow your Instagram account using AI automation. Introducing first to JVZoo Instagram-approved white hat automation app Creaite. Creaite is a cloud-based Instagram growth tool that helps you get more followers, engage with more people, get discovered on Instagram, and sell more of your products and services on Instagram while being 100% compliant with all the rules and regulations. Using Creaite, you can schedule any kind of post on Instagram, as many images and videos you'd like to post. Imagine scheduling years worth of content on Instagram all at once. Then you can automatically send bulk direct messages to your prospects, reply to DMs, reply to stories, and @mentions automatically. You can even auto-comment on your own post and automatically direct message anyone who comments on your posts. Simply log into the dashboard, connect your Instagram accounts, pick what you'd like to do, follow a simple 3-step process, and you're ready to rock Instagram. You can then see your stats and track all of your progress. Automate every single thing you need to get discovered, find new leads, engage with them, build authority, and turn them into buyers. Growing on Instagram has never been this easy and safe. And the best part, Creaite is so simple to use that even a 5-year-old child can use it. Not only can you create and grow Instagram accounts for yourself, but you could also be doing these for other product creators, video marketers, e-commerce marketers, restaurants, hotels, salons, influencers, designers, YouTubers, spas, dentists, vets, architects, chiropractors, car dealers, life coaches, gyms, clubs, realtors, and everyone in between. Create and grow Instagram for any of these businesses in need of an online presence and charge them anywhere between $500 to $1,000 in fees. Create, post, and automate your own Instagram account and look more professional. Help your friends and family with their Instagram accounts and help them build an online presence. Post images and videos on Instagram using automate scheduling and save months worth of time. Create and promote an e-commerce brand on Instagram selling your products or dropshipping without paying any monthly fee to Shopify. Create a digital product Instagram account and sell your ebooks, courses, and more. With Creaite, there are limitless possibilities. Remember, there are 60 million businesses in the United States alone, out of which 17.4 million businesses do not have an Instagram presence and are desperately looking for someone to help them with it. And that's just the United States. There are over 195 countries in the world. There is almost an infinite amount of demand for Instagram automation and growth services, and you, yes you, should be at the forefront of all of this and taking a piece of this $50 billion industry today. Other similar Instagram automation and growth apps out there cost over $480 annually, and most of them aren't safe to use or are approved by Instagram, unlike Creaite. While Creaite is never going to be that expensive, we will soon start charging a monthly fee to cover our server and maintenance costs like every other legit business. But for a special time, we are opening up limited copies of Creaite with a commercial license for a ridiculously low one-time fee with no monthly fee at all. Let me recap everything and all the features you get with Creaite Commercial today. Connect up to 10 Instagram accounts, 3,500 engagement credits, Instagram Story Bot, Instagram Messenger Bot, Auto DM Reply, Instagram Scheduler for videos, Instagram Scheduler for images, Instagram Story Mentions Bot, Instagram Auto Comments Bot, Instagram Bulk Messaging, Instagram Story Replies, Story Mentions Alerts, Hashtag Manager, Bulk Comment Replies, and a Comments Manager. There's nothing to install, and again, it's so easy that even a child could do it. Create your Creaite account and get instant access today. However, this offer won't last long and the price is increasing every few hours. And if you act now, you'll receive not only our commercial usage license, but also some very useful bonuses mentioned on this page. Your Creaite purchase is fully covered by our 14 days risk-free money-back guarantee. See for yourself how easy it is to create, post, manage, and automate your Instagram accounts fast. And if you don't agree that Creaite lives up to the hype, then we'll refund your every penny. But the clock is ticking. To get your exclusive access to Creaite with the commercial license, all the bonuses, and exclusive training on how to profit from all of this, you need to act fast. Creaite is currently available for a one-time fee without any monthly cost or setup fee. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you create profitable Instagram accounts using Creaite.
Welcome to Creaite. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use Creaite to grow and automate your Instagram account. Creaite is approved by Instagram team and it is 100% white hat and safe to use. Now, once you log into the dashboard, you will have to connect your Instagram account and then you'll get a bird's eye view of all your account stats on the dashboard. We also have a very extensive help and support section and you can always reach out to our customer support team if you have questions. The first thing that Creaite helps you do is schedule videos and images on Instagram. So you go into the schedule section. You can either use one of our templates, search and edit from our stock if you have the upgraded version of Creaite, or you can upload your own images from a URL or upload them yourself. Give it a name, your caption, your hashtags. You can choose which Instagram account you want to post it to. You can either post the image immediately or you can schedule it for a specific time based on the time zone. And you can repost that image multiple times. Secondly, you can do the same with videos. Exactly the same process. Upload your video, give it a caption, post now or schedule it for later. Then Creaite also helps you research Instagram trends and lets you manage multiple categories of hashtags that you can later use in your captions to get more followers, more discoverability. Now, the most important thing Creaite helps you do is automate certain things on Instagram. Creaite will help you automatically send bulk direct messages to your prospect by clicking on the IG bulk messaging feature over here. You can create a new campaign. You can select which account, give it a name, what kind of message you want. You can create a template for it. You can add images. You can add a button. A button could be like this, and you can send a message that looks just like this to multiple prospects and all your followers in just one click. Next, Creaite also helps you bulk comment reply. So if a lot of people are commenting on your post, you can immediately reply to all those comments. You simply select the account, you pick the post you want and click on send bulk comment, and it will send a comment that you have written down yourself. Creaite also helps you automatically comment and DM people. So if there are people commenting on your Instagram post, Creaite will automatically DM them a message that you have created yourself. It will also automatically reply to comments. So if somebody is commenting on your post, a bot will automatically reply. Your account will automatically reply, like, and send a generic reply to all these comments, and you can decide whatever you want. You can type that reply. Now, among all of these, Creaite also helps you automate your Instagram stories in a way that if somebody mentions you on their Instagram story, or you are mentioned anywhere on Instagram on an Instagram story, you will get stats about this, and you can automatically start sending them messages, sending them replies. You can do the same with your story replies. If somebody watches your story and they end up replying to you, you can send them an automatic message to their DM using story reply. Now, if you have an upgraded version, you can have access to team members license, where you will be able to create multiple accounts inside your Creaite to help your team members do all the automation setup for you. Now, the most important thing is Creaite is 100% customizable. All the comments, all the messages, all the automations that you create, you can write your own messages, you can write your comments, and Creaite will automatically keep on sending. This is what Creaite does. If you have more questions, if you need any help, you can always go into the help section, watch our video tutorials, watch our get started tips, or you can always reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help you. Cheers.